You've been lied to about Forex and these myths might be the reason you're not making money. Let's break them down starting now. Myth none 1. You need a lot of money to start trading. Reality. You can start with as little as $100 using a demo or micro account. What matters is risk management, not the size of your account. Myth 2. The more trades you take, the more money you make. Truth. Overtrading leads to more losses. Smart traders wait for high probability setups. Myth 3. You can just copy signals and make money. Fold. Truth. Without understanding why a trade was taken, you'll lose money even with good signals. Myth 4. Indicators are all you need. OIFs learn market structure, support/resistance, and psychology. Myth 5. Forex is just gambling. Truth. It's only gambling if you trade without a plan. Professionals treat it like a business. Believed any of these? Don't worry, most new traders do, but now you know better. Dagnan, like, comment which one fooled you the most, and subscribe for more trading truths.